If you thought the snowstorms were going to slow down the 2026 real estate market here in Fairfield County, think again. The start to the year has been absolutely phenomenal, even with snowstorms interrupting activity. When homes are properly prepared and priced right, the open house traffic has been tremendous. We're seeing serious buyers walking through the front door. In fact, many homes are accepting offers within days of hitting the market. Right here in Ridgefield, 22 homes have already sold in the first 2 months of the year at an average price of $1.31 million. That's higher than last year's full year average of $1.272 million. There are 31 homes under contract at an average of $1.62 million. There are only 19 active or coming soon homes available with an average list price of around $1.5 million. The spring market has clearly arrived early. Despite snowstorms hampering showings, buyers are eager and they're waiting for new inventory. If you're thinking about selling, this might be your window.